Did you know nearly 1 in 4 new cars experience a significant issue before reaching 40,000 miles? In today's video, we'll uncover the 17 least reliable cars that won't even last 40,000 miles. From performance issues to exorbitant repair costs, we'll explore why these vehicles should raise red flags for prospective buyers. Starting at number 17.
Jeep Wrangler.
The Jeep Wrangler struggles with reliability. Owners report engine failures costing around $4,400 to repair. Electrical malfunctions are another frequent complaint. Transmission issues, such as gear slippage, are common and can cost $22,000 or more to fix. While its off-road capabilities are impressive, maintenance issues arise quickly. At number 16. Mitsubishi Mirage. Priced around $18,000, the Mirage is one of the least powerful cars on the market, featuring a tiny 78 horsepower engine. Drivers often report poor performance, especially on highways where the engine struggles to keep up. Additionally, the Mirage has faced complaints about its build quality, with issues like noisy cabins, uncomfortable rides, and poor handling. It's a budget-friendly option, but its reliability and long-term durability are serious concerns, making it a risky choice for buyers. At number 15. Volkswagen Jetta. Priced at around $21,000, it's an affordable car, but problems persist. Owners have reported a variety of issues. Engine stalling is a frequent concern. High fuel consumption also troubles everyday drivers. Misfiring, especially in turbocharged models, is common. Electrical faults have become another headache. These issues often affect ignition switches, leading to engine stalls. Despite its appealing price, reliability remains a significant concern for long-term ownership. Number 14. Nissan Frontier. Priced around $288,000, it's not free from problems. Transmission and drivetrain issues happen frequently. These issues are worse under heavy use. Engine overheating and rough shifting are frequent issues. These recalls highlight ongoing concerns about its durability. For those seeking a workhorse, the Frontier may disappoint. At number 13. Rivian R1T. Owners have reported software glitches affecting key systems. Suspension problems make the ride less smooth. Charging interruptions have also been a frequent complaint. Finding parts and trained technicians can be difficult for this new brand. In 2024, the R1T had 4 recalls, including airbag and accelerator pedal issues. At number 12. Volvo XC60. Celebrated for its safety features and luxury, but it still faces notable reliability concerns. Priced around $53,000, it struggles with transmission problems, engine stalling, and electrical failures, especially in the infotainment system and driver assist features. Number 11. Ford F-150 Hybrid. A hybrid version of one of the most iconic trucks in the world, offering better fuel efficiency but bogged down by reliability issues. Priced around $47,000, owners report problems with the hybrid battery, engine stalling, and drivetrain failures. Number 10. Nissan Rogue. Features a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with variable compression technology. While impressive, it's complex and leads to potential internal bearing failures and severe knocking noises. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, is notorious for failing prematurely. A Consumer Reports survey revealed that nearly 15% of Nissan Rogue owners reported transmission issues within the first few years. CVT replacement costs often exceed $33,000. Number 9. Ford Bronco Sport. Priced around $34,000, it is equipped with a 1.5L 3-cylinder EcoBoost engine that has faced significant reliability challenges. Owners report overheating problems, turbocharger failures, and excessive engine noise. Number 8. GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado. Starting at around $36,000, these trucks are lauded for power and performance. However, both have been plagued by reliability issues. Cylinder deactivation technology has been linked to lifter collapse and engine shutdowns. Frequent transmission and electrical issues can result in repair bills soaring into the thousands. Reports of engine misfires and fuel system problems surface before the 40,000-mile mark. Number 7. Volkswagen Taos. Marketed as an affordable and stylish option. Features a 1.5L turbocharged engine that faces criticism for performance issues, including fuel system failure and stalling. Over 20% of owners reported significant engine issues within the first year of ownership. Electrical issues have also been common, diminishing the vehicle's appeal. Number 6. The Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and Wrangler 4xe. Priced from around $55,000, these plug-in hybrids promise off-road capability but come with significant reliability concerns. Multiple recalls for hybrid battery failures and engine shutdowns have been reported. Poor hybrid efficiency in colder weather, battery drain, and rough shifting are additional concerns. Number 5. Hyundai and Kia models equipped with 2.0L four-cylinder engines. These vehicles suffer from severe reliability issues, including excessive oil consumption, bearing failures, and engine fires. Over 3 million vehicles have been recalled for these issues. Engine problems often surface well before 40,000 miles. Number 4. Infiniti QX50. Priced around $55,000. Frequently reports issues with its turbocharged 2.0L engine and CVT transmission. Repair costs can be high due to luxury parts and services. Ranks below average in reliability compared to luxury SUV counterparts. Number 3. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Starting at around $40,000, it has faced multiple recalls related to its hybrid powertrain. Reports of electrical failures, battery issues, and even fires have surfaced. A Consumer Reports study ranked the Pacifica as the least reliable vehicle. Number 2. Jaguar F-Pace. Priced at around $55,000, it boasts stunning looks and sporty performance but suffers from reliability issues. Mechanical problems include electrical system failures, transmission problems, and engine leaks. Repair costs are high due to expensive parts and specialized services. Number 1. Land Rover Range Rover. Frequently reports engine failures, suspension problems, and persistent electrical malfunctions. A UK study found it to be one of the most unreliable vehicles on the market. Average repair costs reach nearly $2,000 per incident. If you're in the market for a new car, prioritize reliability to ensure peace of mind. Have you had experiences with any of these cars? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any more exciting car content.